Let's have a talk about parallel arrays. Now, parallel arrays are when two or more arrays contain related data. A subscript is used to relate the arrays, so that's going to be their indexes. The arrays may be of different types, so let's see what that looks like in lines 12 through 15. We can see we have 4 different arrays, one's of type string and the rest are type int. Now they're all going to be related on their indexes. So Ben has a grade of 100, he has a student ID of 1, and his age is 17. Andrew has a grade of 90, he has an ID of 2, and his age is 16. So this is all related. Now let's get the size of the arrays. That's going to be 3. We can have this for loop right here, and this for loop is just going to print out the name, grade, ID, and age. You can see right here the corresponding run from our console is going to be exactly as we wanted it, with our indexes relating between all the different arrays. That's parallel arrays. Now there's a few limitations, and that's going to be synchronization. It's crucial to make sure that these arrays stay synchronized, and that makes maintainability, especially when these grow to a larger size, possible for errors and just overall harder to maintain. There's also limited structuring. So parallel arrays are not the best choice of data types when we have more complex things, and it's just a not great structure on how to relate data to each other. There's better ways of doing this, and we'll look at this in the future, but I just thought it'd be important to know that parallel arrays are a form that do exist on how to relate data to each other. That's pretty much it. For more C++ videos, check out that playlist below the like button. It's super fun to go through all this stuff.